Hello everyone and welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be slightly different. I'm going to be talking to you guys about Evernote. Now, I want to talk to you about Evernote for the main reason that I think I've been disrespecting Evernote. And I want to talk through it because I think I've gotten the wrong end of the stick. And maybe this is sort of my approach to stuff, but I wanted to share my opinions on it right now and give you my thoughts in its future. So previously here on the channel, I've done videos like Evernote RIP, Evernote's updates, where I've talked about the potential death spiral of Evernote. And of course, at the time, I was definitely covering the news because that's what I saw. And I was trying to share with you guys the opinion that was being shared in the tech community. And if I'm honest, at the time, I wasn't necessarily giving the full perspective. I wasn't sitting down and actually evaluating the impact of talking about it like I was. I was more just evaluating what was happening and quickly sharing a video about it to you guys. But I have been able to speak with some really interesting people, and especially the last 2 months, like going away and having a bit of a break. I've learned stuff about myself that, you know, for example, like just being able to think things through before you actually do it. I would maybe take a different approach to those videos I created. I obviously think Evernote have had a bit of a tricky time with their users, and yes, there has been some migration to it, but Evernote is still a great application. I was the other day sat in this room doing my receipts and clearing my physical inbox to Evernote, like I do every 2 to 3 weeks, let's say, and I think it's a really great application. The reason why I wanted to do this video, and I guess the sort of trigger for me to do this video, is that something that Tiago Forte said, and he said that people in the Silicon Valley industry seem to just, and this is something that we get carried away here on Keep Productive, is cover the features, and if a product isn't developing features fast enough, then it dies. Or if a product isn't developing features rapidly or to the user's needs, then people really get interested in the application, and that is totally true. And he was referring to Things 3, which is a really reliable application. But what I'm trying to say here, and what the lesson he's trying to say is, does Evernote really have to be pressing on with features? And at the moment, they're really trying to fix their existing feature set versus trying to progress forward. And I view this as Evernote are stuck in the mud, and Evernote aren't trying to stay still, or they're not producing fast enough. And I've even shared my opinions on that. And I don't think that's the right thing I should have done. I think I should have maybe mulled on my thoughts a little bit more and given you the best opinion that I have. And that is now that Evernote is a reliable application. It's the best note taker out there by far, and it provides users with a way to go and do a thing that many people do on a routine basis, is taking notes, capturing documents, and filing them away in an organized fashion. Now, yes, there are new applications like Notion. Yes, there are some development speed errors, like they're not working fast enough to deliver it. But they're all perceptual things, and I've definitely learned that in the last couple of weeks, that Evernote have been just working on the core experience. So my opinion's changed, I'd say, over the summer, and I think definitely people should be considering Evernote. I've been getting several emails from people asking about things, and every time my answer comes back to Evernote. Like, it's just because it's such a good application, and we shouldn't rule it out at the moment. So this is just an apology from me, really. I apologize that I should have maybe spent a bit more time thinking about it versus reacting to the news. And I'm gonna try and make that more present in the channel in terms of future updates and my opinions. I do think Notion is going in a lot of positive places, but at the same time, I think Evernote deserves the respect. that I necessarily haven't given it in the last few months. And the thing that I want to be doing with you guys is actually sharing more Evernote tutorials, getting Evernote users in to talk about that, and also just diving into more topics. Now, this hasn't been necessarily triggered by anything. As I said, it's been triggered by more of a thought process. But at the same time, I want to let you guys know that I'm actively trying to think about ways to educate you about the best tools. And at the moment, Evernote is one of those best tools. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I look forward to some of your comments and some of your opinions on this. So feel free to pop them below. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll talk to you very soon. Cheers.